With this model, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a bigger round of applause? We have two new people on stage. Let's welcome Vibhu one more time.
Thank you.
So, अगर मैं बोलूँ for the color, अगर आप देख रहे होंगे मेरे मॉडल के बालों पे दोनों साइड पे कुछ अलग दिख रहा है. एक साइड पे थोड़ा ज़्यादा लाइट and you can see some gradation of tone happening और एक साइड पे जो उनका previous color था. So this is like my regular client coming to the salon जो मुझे बोल रही है मैंने ये किया है अभी मुझे अपना लुक चेंज करना है. लुक चेंज करने के लिए इनके पास ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है बट मुझे भी तो अर्निंग करनी है, मुझे भी कुछ अच्छा ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन देना है ताकि मेरा इंस्टा पेज भी अच्छा दिखे. सो आई एम गोइंग टू डू समथिंग विच इज वेरी सीमलेस ब्लेंडिंग ऑफ कलर हाउ यू सी ऑन दिस साइड विच वी हैव पता है हैंड पेंटिंग बहुत चल रही है बट बिकॉज आई वांट टू डू इट फास्टर आई एम गोइंग टू यूज माय ब्रश. So I am actually going to color the hair with this brush which is known as a paddle brush and this brush is going to give me the effect of a baby light as well as a balayage. So how to do that? We'll start. Over to you, Vibhu.
Thank you. You said serious.
Seamless.
Serious. Serious.
I'm just starting by taking a zigzag section. जब हम फ्री लाइटिंग करते हैं यूजुअली हम स्ट्रेट सेक्शन लेते हैं तो जब बाल फॉल होता है तो हमें बहुत ज़्यादा लाइन स्ट्रॉन्ग लगती है बट व्हेन यू टेक अ zigzag section इवन व्हाइल यू डूइंग द लाइटनिंग आपको ऑटोमेटिकली एक डायमेंशनल इफेक्ट क्रिएट हो जाता है जो अप एंड डाउन होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द सेक्शनिंग पैटर्न. सो सेक्शनिंग इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग व्हेनेवर यू आर डूइंग अ फ्री लाइटिंग व्हिच इज क्रिएटिंग अ बेस फॉर द कलर. So I'm just taking my brush. I've already mixed my free light now. So I have used the Streets Professional Ultra Light 7 level lift. It is mixed in the ratio 1:2. Instead of doing precision coloring with my brush, trying to get my angle, I don't want that. Because the transformation on her hair, already because it's a lot of copper, I'm going to play around with the reds. And why not the Streets Professional High Lift color Crimson Red. So to start, I'm actually going to start from the bottom and I'm going to blend it, saturate the color on the ends and just take this brush and rub it through so I get a few baby-like effect going through the hair. So ultimately, my one section is done. Can I have my colleague on stage? Essentially, can you please come on stage? While I'm doing this lightning, because my lighting हो चुका है, then I go backstage में color करूँगी. So why not I have somebody and do the color composition while I'm doing the lighting? I'll just go on for you. I'm just going to leave it, and that's how it's done. I'll just turn it around again. Just taking my brush and just dipping the first half. ऐसे आगे का पार्ट जो है उसी को डिप कर रही हूँ, पूरा ब्रश नहीं करूँगी because by doing this everything is so random कि अगर बहुत ज़्यादा होगा तो मैं ये पार्ट यूज़ करूँगी इसको क्लीन करने के लिए प्रोडक्ट को. Again, I'm just going to rub comb to ends को saturate किया मैंने. I'm taking one section, creating the effect of soft baby light without worrying about doing weaving, without worrying about using foil, because ये मेरी client के पास time नहीं है and she wants to quick color. I want to lift only with an undertone of orange because orange color आएगा मेरा crimson red और beautiful लगेगा.
Over to Vibhu.
Yes, Vibhu.
Thank you. That's something interesting what you're doing, Tina. With the brush. That was super quick.
Tina and Vibhu, we have a question. May I?
Yes.
To both of you. In the season, like it's monsoon, the hair becomes very frizzy. Generally, how do you take care of the hair to ensure any color or style looks amazing?
You want to take it?
Over.
Yeah.
repeat again.
In this monsoon season, the hair becomes very frizzy. How do you take care of your hair to ensure any color or style looks amazing?
So, when it's raining, what's outside? Sorry? Raining? No, yeah, it's raining outside. But what is there? Moisture. Humidity. Right? Extreme humidity, especially in Bombay. In rainy season, it's sometimes 97%, 94%, sometimes 98%. And humidity is the biggest enemy of hair. Right? Why? Because frizzy, right? Unmanageable. Sometimes color fades faster. So it's always advisable to use some leave-in products which becomes one layer. There are a lot of clients also think that if I apply styling product or leave-in product, my hair will get dry or I will start having hair fall. But that's a myth. Okay, so when you apply any product on the hair, it becomes one superficial layer. That means if there is any humidity or because of sun, sometimes your hair gets oxidized. So all of that will really protect and it will help. At the same time, as I said sometime back, the right home care and the treatment will always help you to protect your hair, whether it is color, treated or natural, depends. What do you think, Hina?
It's better. So it always works.
Thank you, Vipul and Hina. The next question from the audience is for Hina. May I?
Yes, please.
Hello ma'am, I would like to know about diagonal section which you are taking right now.
So the reason usually we have seen that always, in fact nowadays, सब लोग है ना diagonal sections देने लग गए हैं. It's very important, why? Because the head shape is round. We don't have any corners on our head. सर पे कोई corner नहीं होते, सब कुछ एक round curve shape में होता है. तो जब मैं एक diagonal section ले लूँ, plus the zigzag section, तो वो fall जब होगा, so I get the up and down movement that is required for the seamless blending. So the blend होने के लिए, अच्छा blend होने के लिए diagonal sections. अगर मैं straight लेती हूँ, तो मुझे बहुत stark line मिलेगी. अगर मैं diagonal forward लेती हूँ, तो मेरा पूरा color front की तरफ ज़्यादा दिखेगा. Diagonal back इसलिए दिया जाता है ताकि color पीछे की तरफ जाए. So that is how it will help. अगर मैं client बोलती है I want too much color, I want to do the same technique, I will actually take diagonal forward sections ताकि उसके face पे ज़्यादा color दिखे.
Thank you. If anyone has a question, please raise your hand. I'll rotate the mic.
Alright, so I'm doing here the men's haircut with the razor. Okay, so what I have done, I have taken a section of the curvature of the head. So on the sides, I have taken first diagonal sections, diagonal, vertical, 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 and I have used razor to create much more texture because he has straight hair. Similarly on the opposite side, ऊपर जो है उसको मैंने अभी आइसोलेट किया है, and from the back, so this technique, razor is always good for absolutely straight, fine kind of hair. Do not use razor on frizzy, curly, unruly, unmanageable hair, because maybe the same day or first week the hair will look nice, but after when it will start growing, it doesn't. So basically, the razor is not good for Indian, unmanageable, frizzy, unruly hair.
What my colleague secretary is doing on the other side. On the other side, हमने जो base बना दिया है, हम उसको दो color के साथ brushing, leave one section plain with natural red. Again brushing off with pre-liner, again leave natural. I have not done that. Why? Because I want to showcase my color on screen. I want it to be brighter. तो मैंने क्या किया? पूरा किया. But उसको dimensional effect देने के लिए what I am going to do now? I am actually going to place two colors. One color is the new highlight color shade, Crimson Red. Crimson Red is a color which is like a blood color. It's a ruby color. It's very rich. It's not like a very, translucent red color. It has a lot of depth to it. तो मैं वो लगा रही हूँ यहाँ पर with 20 volume. From mid to end, leaving 1 inch of the roots. But roots के ऊपर 3.16 from the Arkin Secret existing range, I am taking to do a routage. That is blending the root very smoothly on the mid to end. So we just turn around so that you can see what is happening on the other side. The second section, तो एक section हमने crimson किया, दूसरा section जो ले रहे हैं, again from the Arkin Secrets range, we are taking 5.66, which is an intense red at level brown, and then mixing a little bit, that is even 10 grams, maybe 2 grams of 3.16, just to add more depth to it, to make it a little darker, but have the tone of red going through the hair. तो जब ये पूरा मिक्स हो जाएगा तो डार्क एंड लाइट इफेक्ट क्रिएट होगा. ऑल अक्रॉस जो रूट्स हैं हम कर रहे हैं 3.16 with 6%. Mixing ratio for all Arkin Secret colors, irrespective highlight है, fashion shade है, base color है, is 1:1. Simple, and the development time is 40 minutes. Can't get simpler than this. Okay? This color technique that I am using, my suggestion is use it when you are doing reds, use it when you are doing coppers, use it when you are doing simple soft browns to maybe honey blondes. That's it. When you go for this technique to do blondes, you will never have a seamless blonde base. Why? Because everything we are doing with brush is more random. It's more blended. Somewhere it is dark, somewhere it is light. And when you want a clean blonde result, maybe like a sombre blonde or an ash blonde or even a beige blonde, avoid this technique. Do this mostly for warm colors, for dark colors, deep colors, red colors, copper, violets. All of this will work. Any questions on the color, please feel free to ask.